Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set up a clock on your Moodle page, which shows the current time in Vancouver. I have set it up in a block on the right-hand side on top of the page. So I'll just explain how I have done that. Click on Turn Editing On. Then from the left side menu, click on Add a Block and select HTML block. Then your new block will show up on the right-hand side. Once it shows up from the drop-down menu, click on Edit. Now we are going to edit the HTML block. Click on this arrow for more buttons. Then click on the HTML editor. And I have included the source code for that clock, the HTML source code for that clock next to this video. So just copy it and paste it here. Then save changes. And you will be able to see the clock on the right-hand side where the other blocks are, the current time in Vancouver.